Hi, and welcome back to All Things Styled by Pam. For today's video, I want to talk about some items that I feel like are important in my home. Okay, items that serve a purpose and in some cases a function for what I need. Now let's go ahead and get started because I don't want to ramble too much. Now, when I go shopping, I look for things that I know is it has to serve a purpose, and I was still at the same time wanted to look aesthetically pleasing. Now, the first thing that I have in front of me is this box right here. You're probably saying, Pam, that's just a box. With this box right here on the inside, I can use this box, which is serving my purpose, is I can put my remotes in here. If I don't want to put my remotes in here, I can put jewelry in here. I can put, if I want to, I can put it in my bathroom. I can put napkins in here. I can set this on something like I have a small little stand that's like three-tiered if you want to use that in here, but mainly I use it for, excuse me, I mainly use it for my remotes. And when I set this on top of my cabinet or TV console, it looks aesthetically pleasing, but also serving a purpose. Okay, now the next thing that I want to show you, and excuse me if I'm bending down, but I've got to show you this. Okay, now this is something that goes into a bathroom. It's supposed to hold toilet tissues, but that's not what I use it for. I got this from a Macy's Backstage a while back. And as you can see, it has a cutout right here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it with the bags I got in here, but yeah, you can see it now. And obviously, I have a problem with taking the price tags off of stuff because I've had this for a while. It was $7.99, and I have a pantry in my kitchen. And my biggest problem was what to do with these bags. So I accidentally one day had this. I didn't take it into the bathroom yet. And I was trying to put up some things that I bought in the bags. I was like, what can I do with the bags? So I accidentally one day stuck the bags in here. And it's been in my kitchen pantry just sitting on the floor. So when I'm unbagging something, groceries or something I've bought from the store, I just put it inside of here. And I won't have to worry about the bags being all over the floor. And I can pretty much, if I rearrange it, I can stuff a pretty good amount in here. So I wanted to share with you a toilet tissue holder that you can use to hold your excess bags. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to the next one. What I like to do is I don't like hampers in my bathroom. That's just me personally. And I want my bathroom to look good. Um, Unless I'm in there trying to do my makeup and something, I got a mess everywhere. So what I like to do is you all know that I have a room downstairs that's dedicated to a closet. Now, if I'm not downstairs changing clothes and I'm upstairs and I'm changing clothes, or I want to jump into the tub, I have to have somewhere to put my dirty clothes. Okay, so what I use is a basket. Yes, I said a basket. No one goes in my master bathroom but me and my husband. And obviously, I didn't take the price tag off of it. So this is it was $14.99, and I'm quite sure I think I got this either from TJ Maxx or I got it from the at-home store. So I got to take that off. So yeah, as you can see, I have a pair of jeans in here that I threw in here. So that way you can get an idea of me using this as a basket. Tell me you don't like that idea. I do. So I try to look for things that that have a purpose, like I just said, but still like just looks cute or okay. The next thing that I want to show you is this right here, and I picked this up from IKEA. Now let me see if I can pick it up without everything falling over. Now I did show this online one time. I'm not sure if I should ever show this in a video. I may have when I was downstairs, but this is a box that I got from IKEA, and it is clear. This is where I keep my lipsticks in, if they will, if they're not too tall, like my lip gloss and stuff. As you can see, is short enough to fit in here. And what I really like about this box from IKEA, and I did try to look for it, well, sort of, when I went down there the last time. I like the fact that it has a magnetic lid, okay? And you see me pulling it. You really have to pull it to get it up. And I thought this was really cute to keep my eyeliners in, and to just keep my lip glosses or lip balms inside of here. Now, the reason why, and this is not what I was using this for at first. The reason why is because I have a dog, and she managed to get on top of my makeup desk, and she chewed up my eyeliners, my pencil lip liners. She chewed them completely up. So let me give you an example. Okay, and everything's, when I get ready to take back downstairs, everything gonna fall over. This is my Fenty lipstick. This is what she did to my lipstick. You see all the bite marks and stuff. So that is the reason why I now keep, well, if it's not on my IKEA pack system that's up high, and I need to keep it on my desk, my makeup desk, then that's what I keep. Lipstick, lip gloss, eyeliners, everything inside of, because my sweet little girl wants to get into my stuff, okay, my makeup stuff. So let me go ahead and move on. Now, this is a container, and if you've been watching me long enough, you know I always find a way to use these kind of containers. Normally, I would have tissue put in here, and I would take a box of Kleenex, go to the dollar store, buy a box of Kleenex, take half out, stick it in here. And I've done this, I think, on camera before, where you could just pull it and pull the tissue out if you need it. And I had this sitting on my makeup desk as well. No, not with Reese. Because she got a hold to it, and she had tissue everywhere, and I was cleaning up tissue 4 days. Okay, so what I do use it for now, and I still could use it for to put tissue in, I use it for candles now. And this is, let me show you. Okay, so this is called Champagne Toast from Bath and Body Works, my favorite candle. And if you want to, and because I do have grandchildren that do come over, and if I want to burn a candle, I don't want it to be close to, I don't put my candles close to my curtains, close to any flowers, I don't, real or fake. I want to make sure that wherever I light a candle, it's up high enough. If I'm here by myself, then it can be low enough. But since I have pets that are around, I like to take, let me do this. I like to take the candles and put them inside of here. If you don't want to see the candle, like the label and any of that, and sometimes you do get soot around the rim of the candle. If you don't want to see that, I think this is a perfect way of hiding your candle, but at the same time, Oh my goodness, getting that beautiful scent from your candle as well. And you can sit this anywhere, and it's decorative. I like that. So another thing that I like to use, let me show you really quickly, and you probably have already seen this too. Now this is it's called a cloche, and it's meant for putting cookies or any kind of desserts inside of it. But what I like to do is sit it on my coffee table, and I like to put the lid on top of it. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's serving its purpose, okay? And I just really like this. I like the look of this, and I may have seen this somewhere, but I really love how the candle looks inside of the cloche. And I do have several others, so that way that I could just dedicate this one to my candle. And I want to make sure that I'm careful when it comes to my pets, and you really do have to be careful. And I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I wanted to show? Oh, okay, one more thing. Now, right here, you're probably saying, Pam, that's just a vase with flowers in it. Yeah, it is. This is a vase, and I wanted to put some short stem faux flowers in here. But the flowers kept knocking around, or didn't want to sit up, or didn't want to bunch together. So this is what I did. Now, if you have a vase and you want to put flowers into it, short stem flowers like these. Now, I got these from TJ Maxx. What I did was I took a ribbon, tied it around. To tell you honestly, this was on a wreath. And I took them off the wreath. And I took a ribbon and I wrapped it around, as you can see, and then tied it because I needed the flowers to stay together. Doesn't it look like I'm getting married? So I wanted the flowers to stay together, because every time I got ready to put them in here, they would fall out, I guess because they are short. So now, because I have them tied with a ribbon, look at what I got. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? I was struggling with trying to find a way to keep these flowers from falling out the vase, or just having a gap, or in them. So tying the ribbon around really helped to give me the look which I was looking for, which serves my purpose as looking beautiful, looking pretty, and I have a beautiful vase and a beautiful flower that I can show off. So it's looking good in my closet beauty room. So it's looking pretty in there, and I'm really loving it. It's giving me the look that I want. Okay. That is everything that I want. Well, some of the things that I wanted to show you that I kind of either kind of hacked a little bit, or just had to make use of it. So I really sit down, and when I'm in a store and looking at something, I really stand there for about maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes looking at the item that I really like. If I don't have a purpose for it, then I won't get it. If I know that I can use it for something in this house, then I'm going to go ahead and get it. So that is the end of my video, and I hope you like the items that you can bring into your home that will serve a purpose for you, as well as still giving you a beautiful, cute look. Again, my name is All Things Styled by Pam. And if you want to join me on my Instagram, join me at Diamond2872. And don't forget to thumbs up my video. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Isn't she lovely?